video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can add your own music to your Canva video. Okay, so this will be quick tutorial for you guys, step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Canva homepage like this. Okay, and you should see over here video. Okay, so just click on video. You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do first is you need to upload your video from here. Okay, click on upload, click on upload file, and upload your video that you want to add music to from your laptop. Okay, so after you finish, you should click over here on videos and you should find your video over here. Okay, so I already have those videos here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So I will click on this video. Okay, your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point, set a video as background like this. So what you need to do next is you need to click again over here to add music to this video. Click again on upload file and upload your background or your music that you want to add. So for example, this is my background or music that I want to add to my video. So just select your music from your laptop, click on open, and your music will be over here. So just click on your music and your music will be under your video. Okay, it's really easy and simple. You can also decrease or increase your music volume. Just double click on your music like this, click over here. So let me see. So just click on your music audio that you add and click here, click on this icon over here, and you can increase or decrease the volume of your music. Okay, so that's how you can add music to your own music to your Canva video just in few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.